Yo guys, welcome to another video. And in this video I'm gonna be using the BSW sniper. As you can see, I've been practicing with this sniper for a bit now, and I'm trying to get better with it. So you guys should comment down below if you think that I'm actually like decent with it, or if you think I'm just complete dopey when using it. But anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Wow, I don't know what that happened. Come on, boy, show your face. Oh,
gotcha, bitch.
Oh, there he goes. Bye bye. Who's next? 3 and 1. Kinda got a little bit better at sniping, not gonna lie, but not the best yet. But yay. Oh, you almost fucked me up. Hey yo, thank you, man. Shit, look at him. I want that fucking armor, dude. Grind that. Oh no. Ah, dumb, you fucking ass. I'm gonna get you back. Come on, let's go. Shit, I gotta change this a little bit real quick. Yeah, that's right. Oh, there's a nonce right here. He's a nonce, complete nonce, certified nonce. Go on, boy, get the flag. Ooh, he didn't see me. I don't know how the fuck he didn't see me. Like, how the fuck did that guy not see me? Oh, they got a flag. Oh my god, headshots, bow. Let's go, come on. Oh shit. This guy should go. Okay. Just missed him. Just missed that nonce. Fuck! Still missed him again. Come on. Sniper really gets you blood pumping. Ooh, you see that? See that? Score skills. Come on. I know I'm guessing myself. Oh, what? How'd I miss? No way. How'd I miss? Oh, man. Hey. Dead. Okay, cool. Someone killed him. Let's go. Ah, shit. Yep. Oh. I thought I was dead right there. I thought I was gonna die, but hopefully, thank God, my teammate, a lovely teammate that I have, he came to the rescue. Ah, this fucking commander once again. Jesus Christ. Oh, no. Oh my god, he stole my kill. Yeah. That guy was probably gonna kill me anyways, but Oh, no. Oh, yes, I got him. Oh, no. You guys saw that? I shot him, and he didn't die. And then he killed me. This game does that a lot, Rubbish game. Honestly. Sucks. Absolutely sucks. 10 seconds left. Ooh, looks like we're about to win the match. Come on. Oh, that's my teammate. Let's see if we can find some. That was a good game. Getting this calls with people using grinders, like, bro, like, fam. You can't lie, I got better. You get me? Come on. Alright guys, that was it for today, and I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and put on the notification bell, and make sure you guys keep safe and stay inside. Peace.